So the next stage of the fitting out the back of the Land Rover Defender is the drawer itself, where the mechanics will keep their tools. So if you can see the first line here that Duncan has routed out, that is to cover this lip here. That fits just over the lip there, so we have a straight edge from there. The second router line is for the 9mm ply that will be for the floor of the drawer system. Then this just fits on the front of here, like so, and then that closes up in there. So that's what we're working on just now, and the sides here will be dovetailed in, dovetailed at both sides to give it extra strength, and the same at the back of the drawer system, and that's how that will work. Oh, hello John!
We were a couple of days off.
What was that for?
Well, we were up at the rugby on Saturday.
I never seen any rugby.
Didn't you?
No.
What is that?
Don't know. Was there a match on?
Did you miss it?
I thought it was a reunion.
What did I tell you at breakfast? That's right, yes. You don't listen to anything I say?
Well, I don't know. I just thought it was a reunion. So anyway, what's been going on?
Well, we've been quite busy this past couple of days.
Right, what have you been doing?
Well, we've been putting the framework in there.
Well, you know what show is it then?
Aye,
See what you've been doing?
Aye, come and see it.
Aye.
Aye. See, we've got a wee drawer here with a hatch.
Oh aye, what's the hatch for?
Well, then you get into your toilet rolls and stuff like that, and your deodorant, and
You sure that's not for the mechanics?
it could be.
You've not been listening, have you?
Aye?
You've not been listening.
I don't know.
No,
Why is that?
because this is the mechanics vehicle. It's no toilet.
Oh, it's not yours.
No, it's no toilet.
Well, do you think we get the same in ours?
I'm not really sure.
Well, I need to be going to the toilet now and again.
Ah, well, that isn't a toilet. Can I just say, you don't carpet the toilet.
Would you carpet it then?
Well, you don't carpet the toilet,
Oh,
do
I'm
you?
not talking.
Right, and what's about the drawer thing then?
Well, the drawers are right, isn't it? Because the drawer comes out, see, like that.
Oh, aye.
And then you get a wee pile of shirts,
No,
a wee pile of pants,
Tools,
socks.
tools, mate. Tools go in there.
This is for our vehicle.
You think?
Mechanics vehicle.
We're going to have our own vehicle. We're going to have our own one.
Aye. We get one of them tape recorder things in it.
Tape recorder.
Aye. What do you call them?
They don't use tapes now.
Aye. No tapes.
No.
Well, I don't know what I'm going to listen to.
They do these things called, I don't know if you've heard them, MP3 players.
MP3.
Aye, and some mobile phones you can actually put music on them and listen to that.
Can you?
You just plug it in and it comes through your stereo thing.
And what if somebody phones you up when their record's
Oh,
on?
well, it cuts the music out.
What if somebody phones you up when the record's on?
It cuts the music out, doesn't it?
Well, I don't know.
Or you can have a wee sing song with them.
Aye. A sing song.
A sing song, aye, but you're flat though, aren't you?
I'm not fat.
You're flat. I didn't say fat.
No, we know who's fat.
Who's that then?
I'm not saying.
You just did say.
I didn't mention
You
any
kind of
names.
did say though,
I didn't
didn't you?
mention any names, did I? Look at
So,
the mess here.
what else been done? Oh, you made a bit of a mess here, haven't
The
you?
rest of the day.
So what's happening next then?
Well, I think we're going to go and have a spot of lunch and then we're away up to London. Aye.
Oh, Londinium.
Aye, Londinium.
Ah, we like that place, don't we?
It's a nice place. We was
Aye.
up there on Saturday.
Oh, what were you doing Saturday?
No, it was up at that big game that you can't remember anything
What game?
about.
No, I remember going to a
Remember?
reunion. I don't remember being a rugby match.
Didn't you?
No. Duncan, did you remember a rugby match?
He's been to the rugby as well.
Aye, exactly. What rugby match? Were you at the same place we were?
I must have been.
Well, I've never
How
seen
did-
a
how
rugby
did we
match.
Get there, then?
I just went to an expensive reunion.
Aye. And how did we get there? See where we ended up on Monday. How the hell did we get there?
Well, that's because we didn't go to a rugby match, we went to a reunion.
A reunion. Huh? Is that what you call it? There's only two of us there.
I think you'll find there was about 80,000 there.
Was there?
Aye.
The rugby.
No, the reunion.
Was there?
There wasn't any rugby on.
Well, I'm getting my faculties mixed up. What do you mean by that?
Oh,
Huh?
it's an age thing, isn't it?
Age?
Age thing, aye.
Aye, well, you've only got a year to
Senile thing.
go. Aye?
Aye.
See that? I nearly tripped then.
No, I thought that was you
Somebody's
trying to be the
gone
big man.
over the grass. He's right.
Drawer system, there we go. I think this is a dog's bollocks system. There you go.
You're not allowed to say that.
Alright, okay. It's a dog's gonad system.
Yeah, go on, lads.
Good work by Duncan. What are you going to say to your fans?
Well, it's nice to be back. Should have caught me earlier when I was back on the tools.
What tools were you on?
Aye, the normal ones. The normal
Like the
ones.
brush?
Sort of.
No,
Shoveling brush a day.
sort of. Was it a brush or was it
I can't
no?
work in this heat, can I?
How no?
Because I'm not, you're not getting me any lotion to put on.
Oh, you're from Kilmarnock, couldn't you?
I'm not from Kilmarnock.
Ah, you're
I'm
from Kilmarnock.
Hereford, just outside of Kilmarnock.
Well, Kilmarnock though, innit?
Aye, right, Kilmarnock.
Okay.
Up the Killy.
Kelly.
Aye, Killy.
So there you saw the drawer system going in. We've loose fitted this just now, and the reason being is the mechanics are going to work this weekend to prepare the gull wing doors. Once that's complete, we can actually build the side boxes, which will be fixed to the vehicle and fixed to the seat pan, which will actually bring this level down to the right level it should be all round, and then that'll all sit nicely. Then we can actually finish the walls and go from there, and then that'll be the back complete. So we'll probably got another few days work left to do in this once the gull wing doors are in, and then we'll be complete with this part, and then we'll get on to boarding up the front. All the soundproofing's already done in there, so that's where we are just now. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and on Twitter at VIA Charity.